My name is Eric Raymond with GNB Corporation. I'm the engineering manager here, and I've been here for 19 years. I have extensive fabrication experience. I've worked all throughout the shop, done welding, machining, and of course engineering. So at GNB, we're not just another fab shop. We have a whole group of engineers that really specialize in taking care of the customers and figuring out what their needs are. We like to collaborate with our customers to give them the best product they can get at a good price. So at GNB, if you want a standard valve, we can make those, but we really specialize in custom valves, custom chambers. We do pressure vessels, and we perform all our in-house FEA and thermal analysis. Some of the fun and interesting projects that we have usually have to deal with government labs. If we're dealing with petawatt lasers, we've got fusion reactors that we build, all types of experimental things that customers need. And then of course we have your run-of-the-mill heavy-duty valves, very large chambers, anywhere from something that's handheld up to 20 feet. We do installs occasionally. We'll actually build, if the chamber, for instance, we had one that was too big to build complete at GNB, so we built it in sections here. We took a crane, assembled it all, made sure everything fit. This one was a 20-foot cube. Made sure it all fit here, shipped it to the customer facility, and then we did all the final welding and installation at the customer site. So at GNB, we do a full FEA on all our designs to verify that it'll meet your requirements and that the stresses and deflections are where they should be. We also do ASME boil and pressure vessel code calculations, so we can stamp a chamber if it's needed. So we do a lot of water cooling for customers that have high temperature applications. We'll either have dual-walled vessels that have annular cooling all around them, or we can just add some water channel if it's a hot application. We also make multi-coolant baffles, cryogenic baffles for use at liquid nitrogen, and even down to liquid or gaseous helium temperatures in the sub 10 Kelvin range. GNB will do a full range of calculations, so we can do hand calcs to ensure it meets the code. A lot of times when we deal with government operations, they're non-standard geometries that are not covered under ASME, Section 8 Division 1. In that case, we have to use FEA to prove the designs. So we'll do a full range of software, from actually anything from a napkin sketch. We can take that and realize it into a real product. We can use AutoCAD drawings or 2D drawings. And then of course we do SolidWorks and any type of 3D step file modeling. Well, you can reach us through our website at www.gnbvac.com, or you can call us at 916-395-3003.